Hello and welcome to Lesotho Hub. This is a channel where we explore the country of Lesotho. Today we're going to look at Lesotho's traditional music. We're going to dive deep into the fascinating world of Famo music, a genre that not only defines the cultural heartbeat of Lesotho, but also tells the tumultuous story of the Basotho people. Join us as we unravel the origins, evolution, and the current challenges facing Famo music. Famo music, with its unparalleled use of the accordion, intricate praise poetry, and storytelling, has long captured the essence of Basotho culture and lifestyle. But what is Famo music, and why is it so significant in Lesotho? Famo music emerged in the 1920s within the drinking dens of mine workers in South Africa. These men, many of whom were migrants from Lesotho, found solace and expression in music after long, grueling days in the mines. Initially, the concertina was the primary instrument, but by the 1980s, the accordion took center stage, giving Famo its distinctive sound that we know today. The music wasn't just a form of entertainment. It was a lifeline that connected the miners to their homeland, helping them cope with the hardships of their migrant existence. It conveyed stories of love, struggle, and the daily life of Basotho people. Over time, Famo music became an integral part of Basotho culture. Renowned artists like Apollo Ndabanyan, Mosotho Chakela, Mahlanya, Khopolo, Famoli, Sango, and many others brought Famo to new heights, capturing the hearts of listeners both in Lesotho and South Africa. Their music spoke to the realities of life, from the challenges of urbanization to the joys and sorrows of rural living. Famo music isn't just music. It's a reflection of the Basotho identity. It encapsulates the values, struggles, and dreams of the Basotho people. Whether through the poignant lyrics of Pusetso Seema or the vibrant performances of Kalematecha, Famo music has chronicled the Basotho existence for nearly a century. Famo music is deeply embedded in the societal fabric of Lesotho. It's played at celebrations, communal gatherings, and even in the times of mourning. It's a medium through which stories are told, history is preserved, and communal bonds are strengthened. However, the music is not without its dark side. The genre has been marked by gang violence and political corruption. In the late 1990s and early 2000s, funeral schemes like Seachi and Derini morphed into violent gangs. Leaders like Retabile Chakela, known as Mosotho Chakela Manoti, and rivals Bere Majoro and Luthonono Maketi became central figures in these deadly feuds. The violence has escalated over the years, with high-profile murders and countless lives lost. These gang wars have even infiltrated the Lesotho's political landscape, complicating efforts to bring peace and justice. In response to the violence, the government of Lesotho under Matekane has taken drastic measures, including banning the music in the country. Citizens are not allowed to play Famo music within the borders of Lesotho, and reporters are prohibited from reporting on matters relating to Famo music within the borders of Lesotho. While the intention is to curb the bloodshed, this ban has been met with mixed reactions. Many argue that the ban punishes the music and its cultural significance rather than addressing the root causes of the violence. Famo music is a cultural jewel of Lesotho, a symbol of the Basotho heritage. To ban it is to strip away a vital part of the nation's identity. As Lesotho approaches its 50th year of independence, the future of Famo music hangs in the balance. Can we find a way to preserve this unique cultural heritage while addressing issues that have led to its association with violence? That is the question. The story of Famo music is one of resilience, creativity, independence, and cultural pride. It's a story that deserves to be told, not silenced. As we look to the future, let's hope for a time when Famo music can once again be celebrated for its artistry and its cultural significance, free from the shadows of violence and conflict. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history and significance of Famo music. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the rich cultural traditions of Lesotho. And let's keep the conversation going in the comment section. Okay.